In this video, let's walk through the process of accepting an invite on Temu. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first things first, keep in mind that Temu allows invites to be sent through various platforms such as SMS, email, WhatsApp, and popular social media channels like Facebook and Twitter. Now, let's say your friend who's pretty savvy with Temu shoots you an invite through one of these channels. So all you have to do is fairly straightforward. Just click on the unique referral code that they've sent your way, and that's it. That's actually pretty simple, and by doing so, you open the door to a world of benefits and rewards. It's not just about joining the platform, it's about unlocking a win-win scenario. Imagine this, you use their invite or referral code during sign up, and you're not only on board but also eligible for a variety of perks and rewards. It's the kind of deal where everyone comes out ahead. Your friend gets credit for bringing you in, and you get to enjoy the rewards. And trust me, this is an opportunity you wouldn't want to pass up. So go ahead, click that referral code, and let the rewards start flowing. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.